Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming at least 2 spare drives and backing up any data, because creating a pool reformats them. Once done, open Control Panel, go to System and Security, then choose Storage Spaces to begin. Click Create a new pool and storage space. Windows will list available drives. Select the drives you confirmed and click Create Pool. This first step groups physical disks, so Windows can present them as a single virtual disk for redundancy or performance. Now configure the pool. Give the new storage space a clear name and pick a drive letter you'll remember. Make the critical choice of resiliency, simple for speed, two-way or three-way mirror for redundancy, or parity for larger capacity with some protection. Next, set a maximum size. This can be larger than physical capacity using thin provisioning. Make sure to review tiering options if you have SSDs and HDDs. Tiering auto-optimizes hot data on faster storage. Finish by creating the storage space. Windows will present it as a virtual disk. Format it with NTFS or ReFS and perform a quick format, then assign folders or begin moving data. Once formatted, verify the reported size, drive letter, and resiliency health in the storage space's control panel. Finally, copy test files to confirm expected performance. If something goes wrong, check Event Viewer and the storage space's health report. Ensure cables and drive firmware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.